You can say it with me. You do not need to quit your 9 to 5 job to become a content creator. This is a fact. It's so true. I've been doing this already in the beginning when I started my first YouTube channel, which it was practically coaching students online. And I'm going to say it like this. There is no excuse, my friend. Maybe it's your first time you're here on this channel. And all I can say, my friend, if you're an aspiring content creator, beginner content creator, or entrepreneur, definitely you have to stay in this video because we're gonna talk about it, and we need to know why, the reason you can actually do it. It is possible, and the best part of it that I would say that is so possible to start your journey on a YouTube channel and creating content in an easy mode. It's just because you have taken the decision. Once you take a decision already to start with something, creating videos, creating some different type of content, or maybe to commit yourself to start a YouTube channel, which probably it will take a while, maybe 3 months to start with, understanding how are you supposed to work on those videos, and then let's see how much or how far it could go. Trust me, it's all about discipline. And I'm gonna say it like this. I've been working before in a restaurant business, and then I was like a part-time job, and my schedule was, I would say, not perfect but reachable, in the sense like I could work on it and I could balance my time without overwhelming myself. So I would say 3 types of jobs that probably, or I would say 3 types of situations, let's call it that way. Maybe for somebody who has a part-time job, definitely, yes, you will be able to create content or maybe start a YouTube channel. Number 2 would be a college student. A lot of college students right now are so focused in their career, in their college thing, but also they want to start creating content specifically, or maybe even related to everything related to college. I've seen a lot of channels, and I'm really impressed, because a lot of people, they actually have so much energy, and that's what we need. We need the right energy. We need the right motivation. We need to keep it positive if we really want to create content on time. The third one, I would say that it can be even being a mom. The mompreneurs, now they call it, right? So being a mom, probably you have 1 kid or you have 3 kids, and we understand the schedule of a mom. It's not easy at all. I mean, I'm not a mother, okay, but all I could say for what I've seen in my cousins, in my family members, or whatever it is the case, it takes time. It takes discipline. So can you imagine if a mom can actually focus and try to balance their actual schedule to be that mom and take care of the kids and check the schedule or school, whatever it is, and apart from it, choose some time, maybe, who knows, after 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., start to create content, start to grabbing that camera, start talking in that camera, and start working in their journey of being a content creator, being a YouTuber probably. And I'm telling you, my friend, yes, there is time. If we have 24 hours in one day, it's unbelievable. Can you imagine in those 24 hours how much stuff we can do, we can accomplish? We can do a lot. So it's all about discipline. Some people, they really think that no, I mean, there's no way I can become a content creator. I don't have the time. Well, if your job, it's like a 14-hour thing or 12-hour job, I mean, it could be the case. Yes, we know. But if you do possess, like I said, part-time thing, a part-time job, maybe a student like I was mentioning, it is an opportunity. Let me tell you, my friend, it could be the greatest opportunity that only with discipline you can actually reach to that level of being a content creator and maybe being the next influencer, maybe being the next, who knows, bestseller ever online. And all I have to say from my experience too is that when I decided first to start with a journey and choosing that niche, that industry that I was gonna feel so secure, so confident about it. So like I said again, I was just having my decision first. Taking a decision first, I would recommend then choosing that niche, choosing that topic that you would love to share first, and then after that, try to balance, look for that discipline, that schedule that probably you should need it. Maybe you tend to work morning shift or, afternoon shift, who knows, night shift, okay? And then you'll figure how can it work for you according to your need, according to your schedule. And considering that a part-time job usually tends to be like 5 hours per day, you can do the math. Monday to Friday, you do whatever it is. And let's say you want to take your break, who knows, 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. until 7. And then you want to start from 7 p.m. and start creating that content. Start working on your YouTube channel, start working with shorts, with TikToks, who knows. Long form is totally different than short form, as you must know again. But we have now so many platforms that definitely there's so much opportunities that you could be missing if you don't start on time. So huge reminder, in case you didn't know, my friend, you can go ahead and subscribe on time, because this channel is all about content creator tips, YouTube growth, and of course a lot of tutorials that I'm putting every week. So definitely you can go ahead, subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comment section, have you started already your content creation journey? Maybe you possess a part-time job, maybe you have so many ideas that you haven't decided yet. Okay, you can let me know in the comment section. And huge reminder, now in the description down below you have a free guide, and I've done that free guide, everything related with 16 niches that you can choose this year for your YouTube channel. One of the things that I wanted to clarify also is that once you start, whether it's a YouTube channel, whether it's a content creation in general, any type of content creation, vlogging or coaching or whatever it is, through video content, of course, remember this: at the beginning, it could be messy. It could be a little bit, all over the place, which is normal. So do not get discouraged, because it's normal. That's one of the things that I learned a lot. And the second one, I would say, only with discipline you will see results. It's all about commitment, it's all about discipline, and much more important part, it's all about the passion that you have right here in your spirit, in your heart, and everywhere in your soul, that you will be able to share it through content creation, to share it on a camera. That's the only way that you will see results, and you will see the right social media growth, that personal growth that you want to see, my friend, as a content creator. So I'm super glad that you're here. Do not forget to, again, be part of this channel, like and subscribe on time. So now you know, my friend, definitely is your time, and I see you in the next one.